Eevelle designs and manufactures high-quality performance products for those who love the outdoors. WindStorm Elite boat covers by Eevelle are a high-end line of semi-custom boat covers that are handcrafted in North America and rated #1 in customer satisfaction. WindStorm Elite covers are available in over 40 patterns to match various boat styles. They're made in 1-foot increments of length to ensure a snug and tight fit. WindStorm Elite boat covers are manufactured with legendary Sunbrella marine-grade fabric and are designed to withstand extreme marine conditions. Sunbrella fabric is a 9.25-ounce solution dyed acrylic. It is breathable, waterproof, and has a UV coating to provide years of outstanding performance. Sunbrella covers are available in a variety of vibrant, long-lasting colors. WindStorm Elite boat covers come with a 10-year warranty. All WindStorm Elite covers come with reinforced nose cone and rear corners, providing extra strength and protection. WindStorm Elite boat covers feature a heavy-duty sewn-in shock cord in the hem. This will hold the cover in place and reduce billowing. WindStorm Elite boat covers include a free XT strap kit with 12 10-foot heavy-duty cover straps. Sewn-in strap loops at 2-foot intervals provide a variety of options for strapping down the cover. WindStorm Elite series covers also include a convenient stuff sack for easy storage. WindStorm Elite boat covers are high-performance, full-featured covers made with Sunbrella marine-grade fabric and are designed to provide years of outstanding protection. Eevelle, quality and performance by design.